started our walk this morning. It's about 8:36, 100 yards into the trail, and we've got a bedding area. Something slept there last night. Yeah, that's bigger than a deer. I don't know what that would be. That's pretty sizable, but something definitely slept there last night and walked right through here. You can see the footprints. So anyway, we're gonna do 8.5 today at least and get to Pine Grove State Forest, Pine Grove Furnace State Park. And that's where the home of the, well, we'll tell you about that a little bit later on, but there is an ATC museum there. There's I think the old iron smelting furnace is still there. And we got an interesting sweet smell this morning. That's kind of cool.
It's me.
Okay, no, it's not you. But yeah, that's one of the things that doesn't come through on a video is all the different smells that we have. You know, I remember very clearly going up through Unaka Forest and some of the spruce forest and the Smokies, going out to Klingman's Dome, and the pine smell that we had there was absolutely incredible. And there's just no way to capture that on video. But I think we're going to have a pretty easy walk today, and we're looking forward to that. Hopefully everybody's knees and blisters and hips and toes and feet and all that kind of jazz will be cooperative today, and we'll be on the hill. So we'll talk to you in a little while. 1098, I think.
Official length?
We've got official length. Ours is 2192. That's
Yeah.
2018.
Right. So this is the 2018 halfway point, and that's pretty cool. We got a nice little placard here. I bet there's well, there used to be a 1/2 right there maybe. So we're beginning to start barking onto the 1/2 point of the Appalachian Trail.
Actual.
Yeah.
For,
So we're getting there. That was the other surprise that I was going to share with you today, is that we're going to make it to halfway, but I guess the cat's out of the bag now. So we'll keep walking another mile or so, and we'll find the 2019 halfway point, and we will celebrate mightily. All right, we'll talk to you soon. This area has obviously either been cut or burned out. I don't see any marks on the trees. Yes, I do. So this was a controlled burn, and you can sort of see what happens after a controlled burn is the smaller scrubby things come back, and it helps to reforest the forest, to rejuvenate. So there's a lot of hardwood stuff that's come in here right along the trail, lots of oak, and such as that. There's a popular tree. And we are at mile 1097, looking for mile marker 1098, which will be our halfway point for the year. And that'll be a big celebration. And after that, we're going to be crossing 1,100 miles today. So we'll have a couple of pictures to take and do some things with today. That's kind of an exciting day for us. So we'll check in with you in a little while when we get to those landmarks. You are here. Yep, we sure are. And we're going that way. One way or the other.
Timber harvest and burn.
Yep. Yeah, we saw some signs earlier that they were going to do a burn in September. Ooh, the blueberry trail. Angels. Thinking, maybe we should take a side trail.
well, we've already passed it.
Oh, I
Past
see.
this.
Oh, that's right.
We're
Yeah. We're up there going that way, we think. Prescribed burn operations,
Yes.
Wednesday, September the 27th, 2017. Whoops, I think we missed it.
that's today.
Yeah, that road that we passed was the Dead Woman's Hollow Road, back there where there was a little parking area. Yep. So anyway, and then there's some honey bun wrappers. That was awfully decent of somebody, bless their hearts. So we're moving forward. That, ladies and gentlemen, that is trail magic. Those are Gatorades chilling in the creek. And we're gonna have one. I haven't gotten mine yet. Hawkeye must have blown past,
What
but
flavor you want?
I'm gonna get an orange one. I'm gonna have an orange because that's my favorite. So we are, ouch. We are right at what Gut Hook says is 1100, right? Or are we still at 1099.9 or whatever? Okay. My phone says, well, I looked at it coming down this little grade right here, but we should be right at 1100 miles, and that's a milestone, and we're going to celebrate with some Gatorade. I'm pretty excited about it. Alrighty, you know what this is. You know by now exactly what this is. Little bridge here to cross this thing. So soothing. Ferns on the side, that makes a nice picture. And it just kind of meanders down here and goes off to the left. Oh, and there's a little something spring coming in right there in those rocks, and it just joins up right there and meanders right along. So there's your stream of the day. We are probably about 4 miles from where we had planned to go today. We have just really been taking it easy, trying to rest and convalesce a bit. Oh, there's the shelter. Or there's something, I guess that's the shelter coming up on us. There's a tent pad. Here's an old chimney. And we got another little stream here. That's a good place to get water right there. You lay your bag right there and it'll fill right up in a hurry. And there's moss and there's ferns. And there's greenery everywhere. It's nice. So let's see what we got over here with this chimney. I don't know where the rest of the house is. I don't see the footings maybe for the rest of the house, but definitely we have a chimney right here. Let me back out and show you the whole thing. There you go. Voila, chimney. Maybe I'm blind. Oh, there it is. I say I still haven't seen the shelter, but I do now. It's right down the hill here. I think it's interesting how some of these shelters that we've come across here lately have got a separate cooking pavilion like this. I think that's kind of neat. That gets you out of the mouth of the shelter from stepping over each other, trying to get in and around and out and such as that. And your food odors are going to be away from the shelter as well. So let's see what this shelter is called. I'm sure there's a name. I just don't remember it because I didn't look at the map for finding a shelter today. Oh, a nice fire ring. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's not good. Something, they were building something down here and the tree fell right down through the middle of it. It's not too old either. Tom's Run shelter. Tom's Run. So there's room probably for 5 or 6 people in there. And there's a frying pan if you needed to fry up some Spam. And there's a thermometer. I'm kind of curious about this. It says right at 80 degrees, so that's probably about right. It's not too terribly hot today. And we're having a good walk in the woods. This is what, well, that's just the logbook.
Yeah, but still, it looks fairly new.
It's not. It's 2014. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we're going to stare at the sign. The sign, Gavin. Okay. So this is the 2014 halfway point.
What?
Look at the sign. Study it hard. Go read the words. Go read it out. Alrighty. So this is 14 trail states. All right, this sign marks the halfway point north-south, built by Chuck Wood of Norristown, Pennsylvania, 2,000 miler, April of 2011.
They have one very similar to this in the museum.
So that's pretty cool that way.
I was looking at you.
Okay, so that's really nice. I'm gonna back up and get the whole thing. You want to stand there under it for a minute, Eric?
Oh, I was gonna move on.
What's that?
I was gonna move on a little bit.
Okay, hang on a sec. All right, you can go now. We got it. Okay, just look down the trail. Awesome. Okay, so that's the halfway point from several years ago, but this is the one that everybody has in their videos, so I'll have it in my video too. So awesome. Well, it's not afternoon yet. Still late in the morning, I guess, but not far yet to go. We picked up a new fella, Shepherd. He's from Alabama. He is doing trail magic, I think, this week. He Met Angel and Bullfrog back in the Shenandoahs. So we were hoping to meet him, and we did. So we're walking this last couple of miles together, and get down there and have some lunch. I'm kind of looking forward to that. I should have had a bar at that shelter where we stopped. I'm starting to bunk, but I think we got not very far to go yet, so it'll all be good. Well, we're beginning to hit Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Having a difficult time talking and walking today. We're not far out of it. We've already passed some cabins as I have, and we're probably just a few tents away from the park area. Gavin's probably sitting there at the general store waiting on us, and that's all right. We'll see him shortly. There's a cabin right there. I guess you can rent those out. I don't know. Vacations. So that'd be kind of a neat thing to do sometime. But we've had a good walk today. It's been very pleasant. Not too many rocks. Angel's dancing. And we don't even have Bare Necessities playing. Wish I could have gotten that on film yesterday. That was nice. She was skipping down the trail. But anyway, we're about to be here, and we'll show you some more of what we're seeing just here in a little bit. Well, this is the Pine Grove Furnace State Park General Store. And I think they have ice cream to sell in here. So we'll have to be sure and check that out here in a little while. Hey, there's Disney. Awesome. Didn't know whether we'd see anybody here that we knew or not, but we did. Hey, how's it going?
Going okay.
Good. Alrighty. Yeah, I know. Awesome. So anyway, we're gonna shut this thing off and go find some food and drink and so forth. Okay, so we're here at the Pine Grove Furnace General Store.
Hello?
Gavin's got his half gallon of ice cream.
I'm doing the half-gallon challenge.
So we're gonna see how it goes. He does not have a timer set.
Yep, you'd be proud. I got the double dunker from Turkey Hill.
He's calling it a check on mom.
Oh yeah, it is.
Anyway, I'm gonna go eat mine now. Okay, this is about 15 minutes into the half-gallon challenge. I did not beat the record of just under 3 minutes, and that's okay. We'll see how it goes the rest of the way. I don't know if I can finish this or not, but then I have to eat another pint after this, because now this is not quite a half gallon anymore. Darn it, but it's good, at least at the moment. Okie dokie, 29 minutes in, we got the first chunk of it done. Now I've got to go get a pint and go from there. Blast it all. All right, for the finishing blow here, I chose black raspberry because I was just kind of done with green mint chip. So we'll see how the black raspberry is. Hopefully it's not awful. And hopefully I'll be able to finish this today sometime. All right, we've got a serious contender.
Everyone is impressed on this one.
Serious contender going on here. This is whiskey.
The count
Trying to
is
break the
1 minute
record.
22.
1 minute, 22 seconds.
You might have it.
Oh yeah, he's going to beat this to pieces.
You got
Got it out of the way,
You've
son.
got a minute and 30 seconds.
I just wanted to get close and see how much is left in that box.
Don't get too close. He'll take a bite out of you.
Oh no! Come on, get to it. Stand up for the power scoops if you need to.
Gravity assisted.
He's going to town on that.
He really is.
All right, he is, yeah, he's making some headway here.
You have 1 minute.
He's got 1 minute to finish it. A minute to finish. Uh-oh, here he goes, turning it up, scooping it in.
This is the show. This is the show.
30 seconds.
Oh my God! More stomach than man.
Holy cow, how about that? Yep.
25 seconds.
You got this.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Oh, definitely.
You got it. Come on.
Definitely got
You
it.
got it.
You got this.
Go for it, kids. You
Got
ready?
it.
You ready?
5,
You got
10
it.
seconds. And you
Oh,
got
no.
a record.
Broken spoon. Broken spoon.
Oh, no.
5, 4, 3, 2,
close.
I still
So
hold it.
close.
It was valiant.
But that's the way that it's done right there.
Just drank liquid ice cream over
I'm
there.
still going 45 minutes or so here on mine, and I'm not done yet. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, I was not a serious contender for the record. At 50-52, here are my empty cartons.
50.
Yeah, that's not even close.
At least you tried.
I did try, and I don't feel sick yet, knock on wood.
Yeah, at least you put it.
There you go. So the time to beat was 2:55.
Good job.
Thank you, Ed. Quit. So 2:55, I wasn't even close, and I wasn't even planning to be close, but that's the end of the half-gallon challenge. Alrighty, we are still kind of wandering through Pine Grove Furnace State Park. I have done the half-gallon challenge. Gavin has a half-gallon of ice cream in front of him uneaten. He's eating some of it. And this is the AT Museum, which we will most certainly be checking out this afternoon. I'm not sure what their hours are. Somebody said they open at noon, so we'll check that out a little bit. I'm walking up the road here. Duh. I'm actually going up toward the park office to see about getting a place to sleep tonight.